everyone, welcome to learn the next super short trick of Vedic mathematics. In this video, I will discuss how to divide any number by 5, 25, 125 with the concept. So let's assume that any random number, I will consider any number. Suppose we have given the number 5, 3, 1, 4. You can write any random number and I want to divide this number by 5. Within a second, you can divide this number by 5. How? Here we are dividing the 5. So 5 actually we can write as a 10 divided by 2 because 10 divided by 2 is 5. As I am explaining this method, how we get this method, that's why it takes a time. Otherwise the simple concept is you just have to double this number. So if we make the double of this number, so 5, 3, 1, 4, 2, double means you just multiply by 2, so you will get the double of this number, or add the same number into itself, so you will get the double of the number. So multiply this number by 2, so you will get the double of this number, so it is a 4, 8, 2, 6, 1, 0. So multiplication of this number into 2 is 106284. Now in the next step, just put the decimal point before the last digit. That means here before the last digit, so here we have to put the point. So here the answer of our this question is 10628.4 is the division of this number. Now how we get this method? Here 5 we can write 10 divided by 2. So 5 if we write 10 divided by 2, and in the division symbol if we convert into multiplication, then we have to take the reciprocal of this fraction. So I will just explain the method. Here any number we have given and we are dividing that number by 5, that means we are dividing by 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. And this division symbol, when we are converted into multiplication, then we have to take reciprocal of this fraction. So that's why it is a multiplied by 2 divided by 10. And when the denominator is 10, so we have to put the point after one digit, means from the right hand side we just have to put the point before the last digit. So that's why answer is 10628.4. This method is simple and easy to use, and this will be really helpful when you are solving the aptitude type of question, because that time you have to save your time to do the calculation, and as compared to division, multiplication is always easy. So just multiply any number by 2 and put the point after one digit, so you will get the final answer when we divide any number by 5. Similarly, if we write any number, again I will take the another example to divide the number by 25. How to divide any number by 25? So let's assume we have given the number 1, 2, 7, 4, 3, 1. We have to divide this number by 25. How to write 25 in the form of multiple of 10? Like you can write this 25 as a 100 divided by 4, or you can write it as a 50 divided by 2 also. But the easy way is you have to write in the form of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 in this way. So 25 is nothing but 100 divided by 4. Here, any number divided by 25, you just have to multiply that number by 4. Means here our number is 127,431 multiply by 4, and obviously divide this number by 25. Compare with this question, it is easy to multiply this number by 4. So now multiply this number by 4. Here 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, carry 1. Here it is 4 fours are 16 plus 1 17, carry 1. 28 plus 1 is 29, 2 carry, 8 plus 2 is 10, 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is the multiplication of this number with 4, and because of 25 is a 100 divided by 4, so 100 contain 20, that means you have to put the decimal point after 2 digit from right side. So the final answer of our question is, if we divide 127,431 by 25, then it becomes 509 7.24. So in this way you can apply this method for any number. Whatever you are dividing by 5, then multiply by 2 and put the point after one digit. And if you divide the number by 25, then multiply by 4 and put the point after 2 digit. It is in the power of 5. So if we want to divide any number by 125, so 125 is nothing but power of 5 cube. So this number again, it is possible to convert into the 1000. Here 5 cube, that means to convert into the 10 power, you just have to multiply by 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. So when we are divide any number, let's assume the simple number for understanding. This is the number and we want to divide this number by 125. And for 125, we are taking the 8 as a multiple. So this is nothing but 10 cube, which is nothing but 1000. So this number divide by 125. So 11321 multiply by 8. So any number divide by 125, that means you just multiply that number by 8. So multiply this number by 8. 8 into 1 is 8. 8 to 16, carry 1. 24 plus 1 is 25. 2 is carry. 8 plus 2 is 10 and 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is the multiplication of our number with 8. That's why the answer is this number. You have to put the point after how many digit? Yes, it is after 3 digit from right side, because of 1000 contain 30. So that means 90.568 is our final answer. Now see, we don't know about the table of 125. So obviously this method is very simple, and this is a particular method when we are right in the power of 5. Thank you for watching.